Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublay phi baro ginigilong ki khubor bam takasngi. U National General Secretary ke NPP ubadai ru Ministry rangba ke jila uba snyau bhalangdhar ula ong ke National People's Party NPP kan thaw ke Executive Committee EC ke bathamai Ajante Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC. Hadin baklayo ke jingkarshan ki khat prangut ki MDC. Utai unong yalam ke NPP uai khublay ki pat ba ke Ajante Hills ki belapan jathat ke jinget ba ke jingshania jangki ha ke NPP. Da ka baay ka borsen shar jangki ha ki khatlai tali ki jaka. Umas nyau bhalang haba yakran shakilat pathai khubor ha ke singin kong pentip ba ke jingklan jang ke NPP ha Ajante Hills District. Kalakiyo siya ka khat saungut hadin ka MDC shimet na rimbai klerian ka kong violent lingdo kala piniso siya ka party. Umas nyau bhalang uban rap ha ka jingyelang bar ka paralok sinrop jangki ka United Democratic Party UDP kabla job lai seat bat ka independent MDC na Jowai South Moonlight Parian bat da ka jingkarshan jangki larai banthau ya ka Executive Committee bathamai jang ka Ajante Hills Autonomous District Council da ka jingklan jangki khat prangut ki MDC. Umadhar ula pentip ru bagi jingyelang kala syem ya karai ban peniang biang ya u Ma Thombor Shiwat kum unong mi khmat CEM jang ka Ajante Hills Autonomous District Council. Alor ka jingbam la banne bha jang ka party ha ka election ha ke JHADC uba dhar ula ong nilayo tang South Liki seat na Khasi Hills ngin sale postmortem banlap ya ka daw. Haba penram ya ke jingkeno jangka VPP halor ke jingpindon kam ya ke bormet harvilum jantia unong yalam ke NPP uloong ki VPP kelayo khatnyau tuli ki seat ha Khasi Hills komta hatu kamut bakadei namar baki pendon kam ya ke bormet namar kata kamdon komta ha kesan perthai ki briu kelayo mat ya ke hok jangki Shu uloong ke VPP kelala banjob tang ha ki khatnyau tuli na ki arkundai tuli ki constituency ha ka than Khasi Hills ka jingkarshan jangki kala duna bha namar baha ke election MP baladen kila job na baro arkundai tuli ki constituency ha Khasi Hills komta ha po ka jingai ka bapra la ni khandai bnai kila banjob tang ha ki khatnyau tuli na ki arkundai tuli ki si umadhar la pentip ru bala shai ka sngi kandon ka jingyalang jangka MDA ban yakran halor ka jing thap vote ADC
Karena mong bai daw kat badai ki isu basa ki totally kisnan ta shwa begin let's don babha baro shirta kadam kam yang man perkat batik na man nam lading le keluarkan step in ke kole dang sutum pan man so na kata kada aku mo man ngi watch back and front properly in such a manner so that once we solve it we will solve it once for all kata ada kada umre bi ngam baitan ngi song tu ki pa ba jong mesti beli barok ki kuat kan dep ta ki kuat na mar ba yo ngi rosh kulmar pitip ka de kodis vernier na hari ngi kuat ba ngin sah kata keltik nang da kanugur ko le mari ka wat ka kham simpor kendero se makla ben kan ben ba serta kan ta de ji kuat mu sarkar ta mne ba ngam bangi ting no ma yo buri mla ber umau yo sopi hamor bangi protect kita rum de andai kan tibi baga jing anu jong ka kipai ba jong ka steady ya kan isu apa soft mo ni ka tawi la ku top priority maka election ni ka mosel power computer kipai ba ki wan thek vote ya ka vote bo borom ni so namani o khalai sit mur bi use mosel power the pile ke mosel power lay for a small example ki vp kan ba so yeng yo tu ro ba sang bodim dengan arwan hang tu lagi lepas ada ki kan use mosel power Sebab ki job kan new seat ha ingin orang ki use muscle power. No, we respect the mandate. Why we should blame each other? We have to respect the mandate to people. Hakasil ki job kan new seat ni kelama mo use muscle power. Ada ingin job kalai ko mo use muscle power, that's wrong. And kum kunuk sale min bro sime to accept man yung nalu klami athi aso don bag baga jing Draibar jo district admission like thaw bukli klamen travel ni kon kiti. We are improving very much. You see, last election MP, the VP scored all at 29 seats. Now only 17. We are very much improved in terms of NPP or in terms of MDA. We are very much improved. We have got 12 seats now, altogether.
No.
More share.
But in JHADC,
Don't worry, we have to work hard. You see, always learning is a continuous process. Because if you are comparing MPs different trends, MDCs different trends, and MLAs very much difference. And if in a span of 8-9 months, we are improving our vote share from 180,000 to 283. Just take another 3 years, we may cover all, and we are working towards that. The Habarok Regional Committee exercise is still on kumulong nakaliang jong Jantil region le manakaning kakanda tu disembar wala su committee kani tingi la insto officer tin la igi homework ti man le dala de putun sa wanra man sa committee nang tanda de committee sa bo sa place sa state level na taga between the two chief ni sa dul coordinate each other when to have a meeting ane kani le ngi bude e barare su ngi bude makla mo bagi casting kani hakata pinyo ibang ila improve mara ka last election MP ka VPP kayo sanlak niyo po malumala. Manta kayo stang lalak niya po more or less in the 36 constituency. We are very much improved in terms of vote share. Manta ka ni MBC kayo lalak niya po ka NPP kayo arlak prapo tam is different only 85,000. Hakalas ka different do lalak tam. But we are really improving as a NPP party and as MDA partner also. From 5,70,000 to 3,71,000 is drastically reduced. In a span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know. And we are working towards that. Expectation day kejunga kari kejung pa iba makila kular bon kay barok. Tatharap ki kular ki demen la man performing bigila kular. To pa iba bastan. Nala kila man kular kala man mel ki la man penme boki kular pa iba la man so simple as that. Pa iba kinai ki license na mitas kaman. 18. Now we are 14. 13 is NPP. Yesterday one independent match. We are 14 now, and 3 is the UDP. 17. 1 is independent. Mamun like parade. So now we are 18.
Do you expect Congress will come to work?
Let's see. Let us finish the first phase first. Once I done 19 December just before Christmas.
Yeah,
and now they are in the process of doing some homework that which we want as state government. And maybe in a month, 1 or 2 months they'll submit the report. Again we will place in the state level. When we are from the state level and then we are contacting the other counterpart. Discussion is still on. Let us wait because this is linked with the central government. I can tell you finally. So we are under the process of discussion only, in the process of finalization, whether we will acquire that or whether we will provide some other or whether the code is very near us only. Let us see.
Issue because you said that
Actually, you get our yesterday. Give me some time. Yeah, why are you so hurry on that? We are trying towards in the final stage of completion. Let us wait. Now session is coming. From yesterday morning, I am already warning them. Please, since the results will be declared by 10 or 11 a.m. afternoon, please take care. All the village should be peacefully. I will install, and that is not so. Yes, obviously, few here incidents there and there like Narwan yesterday. So now everything's in place, everything's in order.
Coming back with
NPP member, maybe another 2-3, you never know. They have got a solid majority, so let them form. And if they are unable to carry, we will see after a few years. But we'll see, no? Dan kalau kum ni hak beda pakai ni election MDC, nukung ay kublay ke district administration bro artili, maka election ki conduct very well kaya ibay empty. But kum ju upay ba bapli ruwan board ke bron borom dul kano. Thaw mla iklem da ay kublay kerpang lang jumay ke Jantil district kala. Ay ka support hadu khalangu di MDC na kaya lang jong Jantil region. Thaw ay beda berkasih ro. We respect the mandate of the people mo. Kila ay do south li. Lagi jing hi kabha na marba. Lagi nu jori haka last election MP. Ong ba ka VP kala asar bro. Ar kundai sit na kasil handai mata kayo stang kanyo. Which we are improving very much. Takabedel Giant Hills BOE kala ngila improve by more than 50-60%. Takatay na galing cuma ay kublay ki pai ba jong nong jang tiag belajar di parti jung la put bang ke fake and confidence on NPP tingi kum ke parti ha kabede ke jaitel jung persang ban Draibar kan bala ha kabede ber ke hasil ro ni ai ku blei na mar MP la rem bro akunda rem kubut mental yo adu saw bat ka UDP san bat independent R bat SP la long khadar is very much improve as MDA government to hani po na keleng yo nga kau General Secretary National yung NPP o man law Deputy Chief Minister yung government yung nga ay kublay kerpang yung voters yung supporter yung NPP hak giant hill region ni warok kami dawa penjob emborong yung party hadu khalisit kamtam ay kublay kerpang lagi voters ke supporter yung gawon narting da penjob ki 100% yung kandidat yung party ang dikunti tayu tiu ini ke parti komit dang kre bah chu chu highway to in tai pai ba tapi jing kubleng kerpal kam chu nadu ke district administration daya man election ko lai ba dan tim member won kubleng district administration ro ar ke district ko isu ko jantia daman ke election ko yusuk yu tanan mem gowon no ko lai ba dan ti kubleng yul tiu ke parti NPO dang kre bah chu chu highway to kham tam ka jantil region kam chu kre exim lai to hako ya hakabay de jong hasil region bat ngikum ke parti ngi respect ke mandate jong pai ba kila ai la penjob VP kan new lisit yang isau tuli yang UDP san telimat independent art limat more or less tengi nak lian jong parti ni burom ni ke mandate jong pai ba takil tiba ke parti buat chart council kana makan le bahaya ka ji anglo jing pai ba kum kila kular ya ka for election. Let the new see form. We are trying to address this issue as a government. We are trying to address this issue properly. So we are trying to address it nicely because financial crisis is always there in the council. So we are trying to work in such a manner that in future it should be okay.